This is a duck egg.
That's a duck egg?
Yeah.
From a duck.
From a duck's
Like Daffy
from
Duck.
a duck's butt. And then it has been cleaned by my friend, delivered to us, boiled in the pan for 5 minutes, taken off the heat and set in the hot water with a lid on it for 11 minutes. And now it's been cooled for approximately 5 minutes.
Yeah, I think you have to cool them for a little bit longer than that, right?
Oh, how long?
I forget.
Yeah.
But go ahead. No, let's
It's
open
very
it.
cool.
Yeah, let's open it and see
So
what
I want to
happens.
see what it looks like.
All right.
So I haven't had a duck egg ever boiled duck egg. So the membrane thicker. Then there we go. Okay. I'm doing it right in the water. I'm not even doing my spoon technique.
Oh yeah, your spoon technique. That's
Not
another
doing
video.
it.
Yep.
Yep.
You guys can see
Doing it
that
right in the
too.
water.
Yeah, you can see the color of the shell's still darker.
The shell's a little darker.
And the spoon bills are like blue.
Green.
Oh,
Yeah,
green.
blue.
Okay.
Blue. Yeah, feels right.
Yeah.
Feels just like a little duck egg. So let me get on my plate here. All right. Get a knife. Duck egg.
Let's see what the yolk looks like.
Oh yeah. Feels, oh, look at the color of that.
Bright.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, looks
Yeah,
like a
well-
chicken egg almost.
Let me get a little salt. Even better.
Why did I think it would be like orange?
I thought it was gonna be orange.
I don't know. For some reason I thought it was going to be orange. It's yellow. Really good mustard yellow, yeah.
Put a little teeny bit of salt on there. Yeah, coarse salt. See what it tastes like. Ready? Cheers.
Cheers.
That is good.
Does it taste like a chicken egg?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
But more rich.
More
Better.
rich. Everybody says rich when they talk about duck
just
eggs. What does that mean, though?
More, it just has more flavor.
Okay, more flavor. Okay. Like,
So close.
okay. So more intense. Like a chicken egg, but more eggy.
Yeah,
Okay,
or yolky. Delish.
nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Is that at the end of the video?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wanna try it?
Stream close up.